Dash has a data chain that called the evolution chain that is focused on writing decentralized data. So anytime, let's just say you start an X account, you create a user profile, you make a bunch of posts, all that data would then be on the Dash network instead. And so you could still make payments and stuff on the original network, right? But then your usernames and your contact list, your actual friending actions are all on the data chain. And so first of all, you have two very different purposed purpose built chains. So one works one way, one works the other. They're more efficient at what they're at. But also, if there's some sort of a limitation, exploit, kind of
Yeah.
congestion on one of those, the other one isn't affected. And so I still remember when I was trying to send an Ethereum transaction at one point in, I think, the 2017 era. And that was the time when the CryptoKitties was going on.
Oh
And so I
yeah.
couldn't send money because there was a bunch of cats on the network. And so that can't really happen. Like if you have a highly popular app and everyone's doing data things, even if you manage to slow down or crash one network, you're trying to make your payments, your actual money, then that wouldn't be affected. And so that kind of segregation is cool. You get to have two different purposes, two different things. Another thing is once you have, if you have different but sort of the same validator sets running these things, like if you want every node in the network to store everything, if it's just some basic data like send money to from X to Y to Z kind of thing, that kind of makes more sense on having a wide set. If you have a smaller subset of that, makes more sense of if you're storing data documents and stuff. Because at
Right.
that point, if you expand that to like the same number, then the costs go way
Yeah.
up